about this, right? I give a drawing, I post in the red. Now this is what you're going to see most of the time, right? Now this could be the demand in the higher time frame that you want to buy. Now look at this. Market make a whatever here, right? Can be here. Market make a low lower than this low, right? We know that this is likely to be a stop hunting, right? So this is the sell order that need to be relieved, right? So there's a demand here, so price goes up. So there's a change of behavior. Suddenly we see the buying activity so high compared to all the, can you see now? Change of market behavior, right? And we can start looking for buy if this is the level you are intend to buy. So once the price come back again, go down to lower time frame, you will see something like this. This is one of the accumulation, right? This is spring. Can you see now? This is spring, right? So this could be 15 minutes time frame, right? After spring, now if you stay on the bigger time frame, you will not see this. You will not see this. What you're going to see is just a few candlesticks. You're going to see price like this. Price come down, right? What you're going to see, instead of spring, you're going to see price come down like this. Then price goes up, right? Then price come down, price goes up. Something like that. You're going to see something like this. Right? You only see this. You will not see this, right? So it depends what you feel comfortable, right? If you like to see trade white call, go down to lower time frame, you see this pattern. Now, when to enter? After you see white call, when to enter? By now you should know, right? After you see the spring, you enter here, or here, or after the break of the. This is the what? The last point of support. This is the structure. Once the market break this structure, basically it's telling us that the market break this trading range. And once you break the trading range, you wait for price to pull back. Right? You wait for price to pull back. Now, if there's a gap here, you know the price like to pull back because this gap is acting as a magnet to suck the price back down. And in this area here, you're looking to buy. Right? In this area. Now, in this area, let's say this over here, you are in the 15 minutes time frame in this orange color. Now, as the price pulling back, you can go even lower to 3 minutes or even 1 minute to spot another white call, the blue in color, right? Because if you see there's a gap here, you know that when the price is likely to come back. Now, when the price come back, if you continue to remain at the 15 minutes time frame, maybe you will see something like this. Price come back. See, price come back. Price goes up. Price come back. Price goes up. That's it. You don't know how to enter. But if you go down to lower time frame, you might able to see another white call. So where to enter? You can either enter here, the test, right? Or if there's another test, if there's no more test, you can enter here. If you miss this level, if you enter here, where's your stop loss? Here. Now, if you miss this level, you wait until the price break out the structure point, right? Every white call have a structure point, remember? PS, this is the PS. After the PS, the price pull back, that's a structure point, right? This structure point, we call it lower high, remember? Lower high, right? Once the price break the structure, you wait for price to pull back. You see, right? Pull back. Now, price pullback, you can always enter. If you see there's a demand there, you enter. Now, if you say, I don't want to enter demand, you go even lower. So let's say this is a 15 minutes time frame, orange line. This blue line is, let's say, 5 minutes time frame. Then now you go to 1 minute time frame. You see another white call. Can you see now? And all this happen, all this pattern, it happened where? it happened in the higher time frame demand, and you have seen the change of market behavior, right? And you buying at high. So this is very safe, right? So sometimes you say, if you feel that you do not want to put your stop loss too near, you can always put your stop loss here. You enter somewhere here or even here, right? And this is your stop loss. Or sometimes if you are more aggressive, your stop loss here or even here. Now, are we clear how to enter right now? So you can see that in the bigger time frame, it's a black in color. You see something like that. So if you don't go down lower time frame, like just now somebody said, can I stay on daily time frame? My answer to her is, if your entry time frame is a lower time frame, you want to go is daily time frame. Of course, let's say the black color is your daily time frame. So as a price pullback, where are you going to enter? You start to look for, maybe there's a demand here, or maybe there's a demand here, right? And you put your buy limit there and your stop loss there. Or you might want to look for white call if you are willing to go down to lower time frame. All right, any question? What is the trend of Euro USD right now?
Downtrend.
Downtrend. How you define downtrend? How you define downtrend? Use the market structure that you have learned just now. Do we break any market structure to the downside or to the upside? Look at this look at this ERC down, right? It removed low and it closed below.
Yeah.
Right. So now we are making, remember just how I mentioned, right? This is this once the market make a low, this become a lower high, remember?
Yes.
Okay. So now market have moved lower to grab all this liquidity below here. Okay. Now has the market moved above the last point high? Not yet. Right. So we say that this market is
Not validate.
Ranging.
Down. No, down. Because why? Because in order for the market to go back up, you need to break out above here. But this is the last point, right? Can you see now? Okay, this is the last point. This is the high. You identify where are all the liquidities. Now these liquidities are being grabbed. Right? After liquidity grabbed, and you know that the market is down. This is down, right? Market moved lower than this structure, and we have not moved up yet. So based on technical 3 months time frame, the market is down. Based on 3 months time, this market is down, right? So, and we can look to sell because market is down. We can look to sell because market has not moved above this level yet.
Yes, we're going to sell.
So we are looking to sell. So now is, where are you going to sell?
Double tap. This one.
Where?
Double tap.
Where's the double top? Here.
Yeah,
No,
in that area.
Before you look for sell, right, you must always say, where are all the orders? Where are all the liquidities? Can you see the gap? This whole ERC is a gap. But the gap has already filled up until here.
Yeah.
The gap already filled up until here. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. So we still have some more need to fill up.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the gap now need to fill up is this here. This is a gap need to fill up because you see initially it was up to here, but now the market has slowly filled up already. So we know that there's liquidity here. Can understand so far?
Yes.
Okay. So now the next one is where are all the what else can we see liquidity? Swing high.
Swing high.
Right, swing high liquidity. Here also liquidity right here.
Yes.
Right.
So we know that here is liquidity, here is liquidity, right?
Yes.
So these are all liquidity. So right now our bias is down.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we go down to lower time frame. Let's say
Low.
from monthly, we go to 3 months, go to monthly. Okay, so we can see that this liquidity is filled up. So there's a high there. There's double up.
Double tap.
Double top. Can you see now this is the double top?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a monthly double top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, monthly double top. We have a low here. monthly low, monthly double bottom. Okay, so now we go to the weekly.
Weekly.
So now can you see I do step by step, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now where else can we see liquidity? And I have a bias that this is going down, right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay, where can we find liquidities? Remember, in order for price to move lower, they need liquidity, right? So on the weekly time frame, we have more liquidities here,
Yes, yes.
right? And here, right? Sorry, here.
Thanks.
All the swing high, all the double top, those are all liquidities.
Mm.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now we go to daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, we know the market is looking for liquidities. Now it depends on what time frame we are looking at right now. On the daily time frame, I want to identify. I see there's a double bottom here. With this is my weekly double bottom. I can see also the price actually break this structure.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can also see that the market is actually making a lower high, lower low.
Low, high, low, low.
Can
Right.
you see
Yeah,
now?
High,
yeah, yeah.
low, low.
Yes, yes. Lower high,
Lower,
lower.
low.
Right?
Yes.
I can see market making a low high. So so that means the market right now they have the last time the market did was making a low lower than this low, right?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, so in other words, all this liquidity down here are being stop hunting.
Yes.
Yeah, they covered.
All these are being grabbed.
Yes.
Mm.
So after they grab all the liquidity, where is the next liquidity that can be grabbed?
Down.
Down.
Double bottom.
No. Remember what I mentioned
Oh,
just now?
they need to
Market always go like this. After the market grab the liquidity below, market
they
need to
go
go
up.
up and grab the liquidity
Yes.
on top.
Yeah, correct.
All right?
On top, on top.
Yeah, market, because that's how market move.
Liquidity
Market don't
on
just
top.
keep going down. No. Market move down,
Okay.
move up, move down, move up, move. So
Mm.
it's the same thing. Market move down, move up, move down,
Move
move
down.
up, move down, move up,
Move
move
up.
down, move up, like
Oh,
this.
okay.
All right? So we
Okay.
know that market has break the structure.
Mm.
So the next liquidity is on top, isn't it? Because
Top,
they
yeah.
already
Yes,
grabbed the
yes.
liquidity below. So
Yeah.
where are the top liquidity? Where are the liquidity that you have
The-
learned so far?
The first top.
Lower high.
Yeah.
We have here, right?
Yeah.
Right.
We have here.
Yes.
Okay. Now we also have here.
Right.
So besides all this, what else? What other liquidity can we see? ERC.
Yeah, I see.
Yes, yes.
Gap between
The gap.
ERC.
Gap. Can you see now?
Mm.
Gap.
Yes.
This ERC. All these are why we need to mark all this, because once we mark this, we know that the future market is going up, going here to clear. They need to clear this. Now, what about this?
Yes, also.
Yeah.
What is that? What is this?
Drop.
Yes,
Gap.
this is truck. Exactly. Yeah, you are learning something now.
After a year.
Okay, take a look at this. You see, this is the double top.
Double top. Mm.
Market go up higher to grab all this top. Can you see now?
Yes.
So now what happened is this order here, order are trapped.
Mm.
Okay, this order are trapped. So now we know that when the market open, if we see the market start moving higher, we know that the market is likely to move up to clear all this, come
In that
here,
zone. Yeah.
right, and then go down.
Go down. Mm.
So where's my area of interest? My area of interest could be here.
The first.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
Because these are order trap that need to be relieved.
Yes.
Right? So market might come here, or we also have a trap order
Yeah.
here.
Up there.
Right? So as a trader,
Two
you
possibilities.
must identify where are all the potential area that the price might go. So once I identify all the area, so when the price come to this area, I start to go down to lower time frame. This is daily.
But Benny, how about this this gap? Are we not considering this
now,
gap?
if the price go up to here and it continue to go higher, I must willing to come in here and look for distribution again. So this is my first area of supply that I'm looking to sell.
Okay.
This is my second area of supply I'm also looking to sell.
Yes.
Okay.
So when the price come to this first area of supply, I will go down to lower time frame, maybe say 1 hour, or maybe even 30 minutes. Okay.
Benny, but how about the gap here? Two gaps that you drawn.
Here,
How are we going to treat this one?
these two.
Yeah.
Yeah, the price will come back to fill.
Yeah.
The price will come back to fill. You see, price might just come back to fill and then go down.
Okay.
This is something that we cannot predict, right?
Yes.
We can never know what price will do, right? Price might just come here and fill the gap, right? Okay, this is what the price might even do, right? Price might just come up here, fill the gap, go up again, right?
Until they reach the
some,
trap order.
There's some trap order there. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Right, because they are stop hunting there, right? So they come and clear down, come and clear
Okay.
down. So what
Until.
what are they creating right now? Liquidity.
Yes. Okay. So we are not going to enter at the gap.
Huh?
We should enter only at the trap area,
No,
trap order.
I can't tell you where you should order.
Look for Wyckoff to enter.
Yeah, I can't tell you that because I will never know. You see, one thing you see, we will never know whether the price will react here or here. How can I tell? I can never tell.
Yeah, but in the case, what I'm asking for the significance of this area,
Okay.
the gap area.
The gap area
what is the importance of that?
The important is it will get filled. The price will come here and fill.
It will fill, and then look for another structure. It might fill the second gap.
Yes.
Yeah, but
so now I draw 4 potential area price might go. These are all. The first 2 is gap. The other 2 is trap.
Trap.
So how can we know which level price will go?
Go to lower time frame and look for Wyckoff.
Yes, you can do that. But which as the price come here, you can look for Wyckoff. But yeah, the other thing is we can also do one thing is remember just now I talked about location.
Yes, location.
Okay.
So the best location is
the define location now. Where is the best area to sell?
Trap order.
No. Location.
Oh yeah, the look.
Now remember location I talked about just now. This is the high.
Yes, the higher high.
This is the high. This is the low. Right?
Yes.
So where is the best area to sell? If you are selling, where is the best area to sell?
Above 50%.
High.
Exactly, above 50%. Right? So if you can just estimate from
the higher high and lower low.
From this high.
there.
Yeah.
Here, right? 50%.
Yeah.
Okay.
See? This is a 50%. See I marked 50%. Can you see now this line?
Yes.
So anything that is above 50% is a good level to look to sell.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we can forget about this. So now potential area we can sell is what? This gap and this one.
This trap. Okay.
So in other words, right now we can say when the market, let's say when we are active trading, we are now waiting for market to come here.
Yes.
Right, this area. And once the market enter into this area, we go to lower time frame.
Lower time frame.
Okay. Okay.
To see the Wyckoff.
Yes. Exactly. This is the level I marked, right? So now the price is here. Now the price is here. So now as long as price don't come here, I'm not interested. So you say, okay, come here and give me the Wyckoff.
Yes, okay.
If you say, well, I cannot see Wyckoff, then okay, then wait, use another entry.
Yes.
The other entry is here. Can you see that? Can you see there's a shift in the market structure, change of market behavior?
Yes.
right? This is change of market behavior.
Change market behavior.
So when the price pull back, right? If you lazy to go down lower time frame than 1 hour, you can always pick a level. Maybe over here, maybe you see some gap as well, right? You might see there's an ERC in the 1 hour time frame. Let's say you see an ERC down. Okay, let's say this is an ERC down in the 1 hour time frame, red color. Okay, and as the price pulling back, you know that the price will fill out at least 50%. So if you are lazy to go even lower, you just put your sell limit at least at the 50% of the ERC, your stop loss above.
Okay.
Can you follow, right?
Can.
Now, if you say that you're okay, you want to go even lower. So now as the price pull back this area here, right? You go even lower. In a maybe 5 minutes time frame to look for another white call.
1 minute or 5 minutes is the most
Or
accurate.
if you don't want to see white call, you go down to even lower time frame. You look for what? You look for another change of market behavior. Because when the price come up here, you will see something like this. Okay, can you see now?
Yeah.
This is another change of market behavior in a smaller time frame. This is a bigger time frame market behavior change. Can you see now? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.